Good afternoon, this is Jeff Scheaffer, General Manager of the CA Continuous Delivery Business Unit, and I am here coming to you live from the Built to Change Summit, where we have just been talking about CA's vision of the modern software factory and how that is uniquely enabled by our agile DevOps and continuous everything paradigm. One of the things that's been really exciting and where we've worked with over 24 analysts and media today is to be able to showcase to them how CA is evolving to the state of the art and the art of the possible in the entire modern software factory. Now, we get a lot of questions from the analysts and from the media asking us how are we uniquely helping enterprises compete in the application economy, and how is this different than what they've done in the past? And so one of the things that's most important is that when we look at what companies have historically done in terms of competing with their APIs, their web and their mobile applications, is they've really been captive, suffering in silence. 21 million software engineers suffering in medieval times with waterfall methods and legacy tool chains where everything was serialized, where the tools themselves were designed for waterfall methods, they were manual testing or manual processes, where they were proprietary technologies all installed on premise. And we're showing and demonstrating to the media and the analysts how we go forward with the modern software factory and the continuous everything paradigm to show everything that is continuous everything, which means it's a related set of services. They're designed for agile and DevOps velocity. Everything is automated, in pipeline, API driven, as code. It's all cloud-based, working in hybrid environments. It is anchored in open source and open technologies. And then finally, it's cognitive. It's AI, ML enabled, making everything more efficient in their entire paradigm. This message is resonating very well with both the analysts and the media, and we're getting great feedback. Thanks to all of the work across CA, the development teams, the product management teams, the sales teams that carry this message out to all of the customers. It's just been a fantastic experience and great feedback at this event.